welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, my name is Fumi Desalu-Vold and welcome. Darlings, today we are going to have the F.D.V Beauty Awards, the beauty products that I loved and could not live without throughout 2018, including being pregnant. Yes, darlings, these are the 2018 F.D.V All-Time All-Star Beauty Awards. Congratulations to all of the brands. You did a phenomenal job for a woman of color. Let me start there. When I tell you, I walked out the door multiple times and I was complimented on my lashes, on my shadow, on my lipstick, on my blusher, on my complexion, on my hair. It was so much fun. So without a beat, I'm going to start with the godmother of all palettes. That's brand new, Juvia's Place. They came out with about, what, 5-6 palettes, but these 4 were the ones that I loved and adored. Just look at the packaging, look at the images. Every single one was different, vibrant, and just as vibrant inside their palettes. All right, starting with one, which was the latest one, and this, my loves, was called the Tribe palette. It gave me vibes of moss green, it gave me vibes of forest green. It was very earthy, just gave me so much fabulosity. Moss, green, golds, orange, tangerines, mint. Loved this palette. Then they had the Afrique palette. I wept because they had, for the first time, all time, they had a shimmer red. Those that know me, you know that I die for red. It was in the Afrique palette. It was sensational. I still go in every day because there's no other orange for me that gives me that fabulous transition. I got it in the Afrique palette. Then we had the Warrior palette too. Warm tones. Again, it had those burgundies, those reds, those very earthy, sandy tones. And this, darlings, was an all matte, the first time for Juvia's Place. And I think this is the palette for you guys out there who want to have like a swish of color. You're going to work, you don't want too much. This is for you. Dying. The fourth, which I pick it up all the time, was my True Red. This came, darlings, in the Festival palette, and it is a festival palette. Everything in here is just burst, chewing gum burst, citrus burst of color. And this, darlings, was the Festival palette. Do not forget to use my discount code FUMI to get 10% off anything and everything on the website, and stack that on top of their sales that they might have, on top of their limited editions that they might have, even the new releases. You can use my discount code FUMI for everything on the website. All right, darlings, my gift to you. So this was Juvia's, the godmother of palettes. I die. I'm just going randomly because I have everything in front of me, so I'm just grabbing and snatching. This is making a repeat performance. It is the Morphe Continuous Mist Setting Spray. Till there is anything else, it will be the best in 2019 as well. The best. It just spritz all over your face without making you look like you're sweating. It doesn't mess up your makeup. It works. It just does it for me. I've tried other setting sprays. This right here is everything. Alrighty. Anastacia Beverly Hills came out with the Soft Glam palette and I fell in love. Absolutely fell in love. The colors were so complementary, they were so pigmented, they had the satins in the right shades, and they had those lovely rich mattes. This black right here, I mean, it gave Juvia's Place a run for its money. And Chad is one of the blackest eyeshadows from the Sahara palette volume 1, one of the blackest eyeshadows I have ever had. This right here is a very close second. Yes. Other shades, beautiful, especially this sand terracotta orange shade. Gave me life. Anastacia Beverly Hills, thank you very much for giving us a palette where you can be very JLo-esque, because it gives you that lovely iridescent glam pop on your lashes, and you're there. Really? Talking about lashes, throughout my 2018, I think I wore the Lavish Lashes in Pearl. Literally every other makeup tutorial, they were that fabulous. I wish I had a discount code for you all, because this right here is the best. It fans open your lashes. They are not too thick. They're not too clumped together. They're not heavy. They're not too artificial. They're just about right. Lavish in Pearl is everything. Talking about lashes, somebody made a late appearance, but they got a seat in the front row. Darlings, when I tell you cliche beauty from Z Packaging, just look. And these are bottom lashes for that extra vavoom when you really want to make doll baby. OMG. I am wearing them right now, and I'm wearing, let me tell you right now, Estella. That is what I'm wearing right now. Beautiful, very glam, very buoyant, just pops open your eyes. Oh, and I have a discount code. Yes, darlings, Fumi, that's it. And I love the packaging. Once you are done with them, this is empty because I have them on my eyes right now. Just put them back in the box, and that is it. Gorgeous. Fenty Beauty came out with lip balm glosses. They came out with 3. I have the false, the gloss bomb, and then you got the white pearly one. The best lip glosses for 2018. 2018. Moisturizing, not sticky. It's not that lip gloss that pulls onto your hair, that just jams your lips and you have all of that residue at the sides of your mouth. Absolutely not. Fabulous. Every lip gloss, every lip balm gloss that she comes out with, I will buy. And the latest one with the tint of pink just makes you look very feminine, very girly, very cute, and it's only £16. So it is really, really, really budget friendly, and I bought this as Christmas presents for my little nieces. Yes, I did. When it came to mascara, nothing beat it more than the Bad Girl Bang Mascara from Benefit. I don't have lashes, I have little tiny teeny lashes. These ones made them longer, fuller, buoyant, blacker. This will make a repeat performance in 2019 if I don't find a better mascara. This Bad Girl Bang Mascara was a phenomenon, is a phenomenon. For those of you that have small lashes, just look at the wand. They thought of everything. To die for. Highly recommended. Again, I wish I had a discount code because this right here, Came to foundation. It was very bizarre. I can use any foundation per se, but when I got pregnant, my color changed. You guys might not have noticed, but it did. And it went from very warm to very cool. This was a flawless match by Marc Jacobs. It is the Shimless Deep Y50 foundation. Flawless exact match all the way down to my neck. I live for this. I had baby Adrian, as all of you know, and still my complexion didn't change. It just stayed. This is an exact match. Flawless. Nothing beats it. So you know what? Marc Jacobs, good job. Highlighter Queen, Danisa Myricks. This is called Desire and Light. Highlighter for those dark skinned sisters. You see, when you're darker skinned like me, say it loud, say it proud, deep, rich, no milk, you want to have the highlight that complements your complexion, and so it has to be darker. It can't be too white unless it becomes ashy. Look at this. It's that orange rust. That's the only way I can describe it, and it works for me. It brings out the gold in your skin, the rust in your skin, the ebony in your complexion. You literally are glowing from within. I desired it all year round. I put it on my collarbone, I put it on my shoulders, I put it on my décollage as well as my face. It gave me life. Beauty Blender, another one. Repeat performance. I haven't found another sponge that works for me like the Beauty Blender. It is life. I found this mid-year. It is, darlings, the MAC Matte Cream Mattifant. I have oily skin. It's a good thing because I hope I am aging gracefully. When you put this on your complexion and then put on your foundation, you're matte. You will not be shiny all day long. You can also mix some into your foundation. This right here is a secret from the graveyard. Nobody talks about it. They want to keep it on the DL hush hush tea. I am here to blast it wide open for my oily skin sisters. Don't stress. This MAC matte is life. It is life. It is so sexy. I am camera ready any day, anytime, honey. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. A new love is the Hasina palette by Lush Tribe. Darlings, let me open it for you. Just look at the pops of color. Pigmented to the T. Love this. It is absolutely everything. It is that citrus palette that you can take away, put on the pops of your color. And this one right here, it's a yellow gold. And it looks like yellow with shimmer. That is what it looks like. This is a yum palette. It made it into 2018. I'm in love. Another palette, Zanzi Beauty Cosmetics. Love this Zuri palette. Just look at it. Again, I fell in love with the sea blue and that ocean red. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Discount code Zanzi B6. Yes, darlings, get 10% off on this flawless palette. It worked for me. Juvia's Place came out with matte metallic lipsticks as well as matte liquid lipsticks. I fell in love. One particular shade of them all, you guys kept on asking me every single time I wore it, was this purple shade, and that is called Moro. It was Juvia's Place. I know, they are snatching wigs left and right. Then they came out with a pumpkin, and I just had to fall down and tear off my lashes. I said, Juvia's, you know what? You are just too fabulous. Discount code Fumi. These were flawless. P. Louise came out with colored bases for your eyelids. Translation: if you want to have blue eyeshadow and you really want it to pop, put the blue base first and then put on your blue eyeshadow. Genius! Why didn't I think of this? Fabulous. P. Louise is doing so great. Those Manchester girls are not playing around. You have to get this. You have to get this. I repeat, you have to get this. You will thank me later. This was genius. The colors are everything. It is an absolute must. While we're talking about color bases, you guys know I use the Jumbo Milk Pencil in NYX. Guess what? They have them in tubs. I am in love. This will work for you guys. You don't have to put your Jumbo Milk Pencil into a tub. They have done it already for you. They have it in black, they have it in neutral, and they have it in my favorite. They have it in white. There you go, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. Eyeshadow base for the gods. Yeah, I'm almost done. When it came to glitter, nobody did it like Afuke. Gorgeous little indie brand that is snatching wigs left and right. Just look at this red. She has 10 beautiful glitters on her website, and guess what, guys? Each of them is £1.50. You buy all 10 and you can get the package deal of £10. Yes, darlings. Beautiful, not grainy, and the best when it comes to glitters for 2018. They did that. Not to be outdone, she came out now with a blush palette, which I adore. There you have it. Look at how beautiful this is. And heavily pigmented. Use my discount code, darlings, Fumi10. Absolutely pretty. These right here are highlighters, and these ones right here are mattes. Absolutely gorgeous, and they come off so beautiful on deeper complexions. Last but not least, Afuke made a lipstick in my name. This one is called Fumi. I love it. It's that beautiful tangerine orange. It is called Fumi. Guys, get it. Fumi 10 discount code. These were my loves for 2018, the all-star beauty products that I could not live without. Thank you for watching, darlings. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, follow my beautiful niece at Crafty Unicorn, and above all, list down in the comment section what were your faves for 2018. Until then, darlings, I'll see you in the new year. Mwah. Ula, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, my loves. Goodbye, 2018.